special delivery.
Okay guys, Carty and Carty here with another repair. Well, the part 2 of this. Let me see if I have it right here. Hold on. Yeah, this PRV. Let me adjust this cameras a little bit, guys. Alright, did I lock it already? Wow. Alright, yeah, I'm using a different camera, guys, so everything is going to be different until I get set up with the PRV, and this is the SQ9000X. Yes, guys. So the problem was it burnt out some transistor right here. Hold on, guys. Right up here. It was only 2 of them. I'm gonna just replace both instead of the whole thing in this repair. So let me show you the ones I got. Once I got in, I didn't happy with this batch, but they work. They are like original, but not this type of original one I did need. Sure, come on, someone. This camera is not zooming properly. Let me see if I do it like this. If it will, nah. Somebody's gotta let me pause the video for a minute. Somebody's coming to me. Okay, guys. Sorry about that little break. It was Jehovah's Witnesses asking about if I have any Spanish speaking persons in the house and stuff. Telling about they're not telling me to change my religion or anything. They're just come talking to people about how to pray and this, and if God really answers our prayer. I told her yes, I think so. I don't know, some of guys, this thing is not showing. Maybe you guys seen it on your hand much better than me here, but let me see. I don't know why when I put it close up, it's not, the zoom is not clear. All right, what is MOSFET? All right, first let me put this little sleeve on the MOSFET here. So they come with these little sleeve, guys. They put on this amplifier. Yeah, put them around the pin right there. Yeah, it's really cool because you can just bend the pin from right that area. Yeah, let me give it a little bend. Alright, so I do that, guys, and I give it a little bend right there. I'm just getting used to this phone I'm using here, guys. Sorry about that. Not being easy with me, right? Alright, guys. Let me see here now. So what I'm gonna have to do a lot of right here, right now. Let's see if this is hot enough for me to remove this little. Aha! Come on! Hey, come on! But I'm gonna Take this thing. Taking these pins out, guys, so I can clean the pin hole for the MOSFET there. One of them is gonna give me trouble, I'm pretty sure. Alright, that one is out. Use my desoldering tool to get out the rest of the solder. Because I want the pins to go right down into the same where they were from. Same here. And this one now is gonna be a trouble. I can sense it from a distance there. Alright, let's do this. Where this goes to etch up the telephone. Don't sit like rain, man. It doesn't. This is the one. I told you guys that was going to give some trouble. But don't worry, I have news for it. I don't have to remove it. I just do that. What we normally do here is cut one of these pins a little bit shorter. Just give it a little nip right there. So once these two is installed, right, nice. Nice. Okay, I can use this to go a little bit right there. So this one I can solder. So let me do the middle pin first. Wow, this side would be better. Solder from this side. Come on. Okay, go a little here on it. Cool here. And then that one is soldered. Yep. Press it on like that so it's seated properly. So this one I'm going to solder it from right here. That leg is also perfect. And this one again, let me go ahead, take this. Nice. A little pin out. Broken pin. Nice. Please take up the loose solder, guys, because you know can mess up the whole thing. My background music's just stopped for some strange reason. Oh. I hope that didn't fall inside. I wouldn't like that. Probably not. Okay. But this one is always giving trouble for some strange reason. Because it's soldered on the other side. But don't worry. There's always a plan B for it. Plan B never fails. So, guys, it's telling me the heat compound stuff on the old pads already, so I don't have to add any new ones. It's a lot already on it. Yes. Do the spin first, just in case. So, guys, Right. Get this heat pad properly organized, guys. So these output size are the IRFP 4768. So let's see now. Please make sure everything is seated down properly with this thing right here. Like this. Uh-oh. Alright. Some things run about in the amplifier. You know, stuff like loose solder and stuff like that. Sorry for my hand. Repeat it just now, guys. See it? PRV. So it's the PRV SQ9000X. SQ9000X. And these transformer, yeah, they are pretty. See, they could have been there loose a little. They could have seated down a little more. Better like. But they're pretty, you know. It's true. Pretty laid out down really good, but still could be a little more sturdy. Give it a little run through test, guys. Here, I'm pretty sure everything is good here. 22 ohms, that's resistor. Why? Because the gate resistor 22 ohms. Okay, perfect. There are some diodes right here, guys. Gotta read 22 ohms just because the gate resistors are the 22 ohms, so they connect right across the gate resistors. It's gonna read 22 ohms, so don't be. If it was reading to zero, that would be something else. Like, yeah, that would be really bad. We use this type of silver looking silicone. Well, pretty much, guys, I think that's it, you know. Well, yes, I think it's okay. Well, you guys, I didn't take it out. I didn't look underneath this circuit board, guys, because I think it doesn't seem to burn really bad. So let me just put some stuff together and hook it up for a little bench power up. Guys, so guys, I give it a little test across the ones I just put in, and it's reading to me. It give me a continuity reading across the legs, across the drain and the source. So yeah, definitely I'm gonna have to take the amplifier board apart and see if anything is touching underneath or something is wrong somewhere, or maybe it's the I didn't check this thing right here first, guys. Let me give this a check. So from that pin to this pin, that's from number 1 pin to the number 3 pin, and MOSFET driver IC. Yeah, see if I get a continuity reading. Yeah, I would have to, yeah, but I'm not getting one, so I'm pretty sure it's okay. But let me take the circuit board apart, guys, and which I didn't want to do, but man. Alright, let's make the video a little bit more interesting. So let's go ahead and remove it, guys. I'll get back to you once I get everything removed, and we'll go on from there. Alright, so guys, I'm back with this report. With this report. I said this repair. So guys, drain to source is giving me a continuity to read, and the other side is not doing it. So something must have been wrong. See if you, yeah. So you can see, as you can see, guys, that yeah, which any lead can go on anyone anyway. This side here, see, and this cap, see, doesn't read. So Go through, check in. And I told you these don't read to that. See, there is read 22. So something, I don't know, is messing with this here. So there's some diode here. This is some, let's see. These are some 0 ohms too. This read really low, but let me check something here now. It wouldn't. Alright, that does read 10. That give me 10. Alright, this have, alright, this diode here. Yep. This is the output. So this is one of the negative. One is the negative of the output, one is the positive here, guys. So I thought it was two, like that's one and this is one, but these two pins is the same thing. So this one side of the speaker here, one side of the speaker here. Right. And then you have these low ohms, and it still doesn't go that low. Then you have these diodes here, some diodes right. Some diodes right. Hold on, something like, hold on. Holy crap. Oh man, that's not good. Yeah, these could be bad. Hold on. This guys, there's some diode right under these inductor coil here, guys. And this side you could see from, yeah, that handle. But there's some diodes right here. And they have that silicone stuff all over them. But let me see, they're reading low. They're not supposed to read that low. Oh my words. That thinking that could be my problem, guys. That's why these, you have to be very careful, guys, that, you know, take off stuff that's on the board. And wow, that would be something if it's really is. I think it's two. I think it's under this inductor coil right here. Guys, please be really careful when I'm removing this. This thing is, oh my. So now A side, I think it says A here on this side and K here. I think you mean anode and cathode, which is they use K to signify cathode instead of C. Alright, so let me see here now. So yeah, this should be the part where, oh Lord, wow, let me see something here. Real, let's see if it's really one of these. Take it straight from the circuit, out from the circuit board. That side go over. Alright, this side that has the bonding on it. Also cathode, I guess, the way they have it here. Alright, so now, yeah. Let me see something here, guys. If this is my little problem, or the little culprit out there would say. Alright, that's really good. Let me see. This reads, that reads good. Alright, that one there. The other one is reading shorting out. Let me remove it too. See if it's that one is the problem. But these guys shouldn't be reading like that. Alright. Alright, so this is the other one. Oh my words. This is it, guys. This is it. There is one of these diodes here. See? Shorting out. My goodness. That was a problem. So let me check here now. See? Why you have to go to sleep now? Jeez. See that, guys? Everything is reading perfect now. So this diode here, wow, man, still almost give me an heart attack. Just thinking it's a output, and guys, I think that wow, when it's not one thing, is the other. Yeah, this work can get so interesting, guys, sometimes. You know, by the output thinking it was only the output. Now I'm gonna have to go in hard to all this dilemma right here. Funny thing, guys. So now this diode reads. I'm gonna look up the number on it, guys. See if I can give you guys a number of it. Part number. So it says it's this little thing here, guys. This little diode there. See there. Let me get my little magnifying glass. I think I love to use this little one. It's a U2G. Hold on, up top it up something. Let me check the one. This one has a much more cleaner surface. Turn it around just to get the number for you guys. Don't worry, I'm getting there. And it says J. Hold on, come on. J36U2G, and it's an on brand. J36U2G. So U2G, I think U2G is the code we look it up by. So let me see U2G and see what it come up as. Let me go U2G. So I'll do U2G space SMD. Let's see. So I type it in on this side. SMD. See if it's gonna give me. It says resistor here. Let me put diode and see if anything says. Alright, I'm gonna start by J36. J36 U2G. J36 U2G. You see transistors come up. J36 U2G SMD. Still coming up as alright. Let me go and go U2G SMD. So U2G SMD diode. U2G SMD. So oh yeah, it's a diode. So it's a imp. Hold on, see what it's gonna tell me here now. U2G. So this diode is the okay, saying it's oh really. U2G. Guys, I wanna find something for you guys. Hold on, this is what a U2G diode. See this little book here. What it says here. Okay, let's go now. 22G, let me see which diode it is from the ECG or the NTE. Come on, YouTube. 2G. Come on, it's not giving me very much on this diode. Why is that doing that? Come on, something here. YouTube. Yeah, it's a diode, guys, but what I'm looking for, I cannot find it now. U2G data sheet, let me see. Wow, guys. This one I can't even find the replacement, the originality of it. Where it says download here. Alright, so now I'm pretty sure Alpha I want to replace it, but let me check here. U2G. Not finding much on this diode, but alright. So I know it's located in the board. I think I have some. Let me see. I can replace it with. I'll let you guys know what number I'm gonna use to replace it. U2 making U2. Where can't I find? Wow. Right. So I know it's bad. So now, jeez. That's a bad one. This is a good one right here. 516. It reads 516. So I'm gonna put this one right back where it belongs. Go. Oh my words. That thing was plugged out. Guys, give me a minute here. Okay guys, back again. I happened to find one of those diode in one of those Brazilian circuit board I have. That was the, let me see. Yeah, this work, it's good. I don't remember the amplifier, but it's a burnt out one that couldn't be repaired from one of these. It's also go by U2D2. So I'm going to put this in and see what what's from there. Then I install the output back into the circuit board, and then we move on from there, guys. Oh, come on. Yep. Alright, so that should be that for this. Oh my words. Alright guys, so let me start about these. These MOSFET transistor output MOSFET right here, guys. Well, let me give it a little test quick so you guys can see. So no continuity reading, no continuity reading. So just one diode was bad. Can you imagine? Yes guys, it happens. Stuff like that happens. This here, so this one is going to have to solder back and front. We do the front first. And this one is only the front, but still gonna solder the back. This PRV SQ9000X. I think this is PRV. Keep telling you guys the model number, even though you already know. Most of you already know. So guys, remember, anytime you remove a MOSFET that is bad, and you still get continuity across the drain and the source, yeah, those diodes right there should maybe the problem. Maybe, I'm not saying all the time, maybe. Yeah, because sometimes this amplifier can throw a curveball at you guys. If you get an amplifier with the same thing, same problem that I'm having, and it's not that same diode, but I think most of the time it's going to be. So let me flip this, guys. So I already soldered these MOSFET in the circuit board. Yeah, give it a test while you're in and see if everything is okay. Yep, give me a high reading like 900 and something. And this is the little culprit here, guys, right here. This little guy right here. Come on. That's it, guys. That diode that is right under, let me show you from this angle. It's right under these. You have two little inductor, blue, green inductor right here before it. And then, you know, it wasn't the first diode, it was the other one that way up underneath this thing here. And it had four of them here. It's one on this side and right there. You have this glue over it, guys, so you have to be very careful when you're working on these guys. You just have to know where to look sometime and check stuff like that, like diode that can, you know, really mess things up for you sometime like that. I'm not gonna pour it up like this. I'm gonna put it in the chassis and pour it up, guys. So the bench test, guys, and the pour up, I'm gonna have to do it on a separate video because I didn't want this video to be that long, because it's gonna be take me a long time to upload it, or for my wife to upload it. She's the one who upload this stuff. So please stay tuned for part 3 of this video, where I'm gonna do the power up and the bench test if all is well. Okay guys, please stay tuned. If you like what I say, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.